Hey everyone, this is Gabriel from Acevacuum Cleaners in Fairfax, and we are located at 11110 Lee Highway on Route 29, and the closest landmark is Haverty's Furniture Store. And on today's video, I'm going to be talking about Riccar's RCUH5 6,000 square feet that comes with a 5-gallon bag, and we're going to go in for a quick review on how to replace the bag once it's full on the central wax system. And before I change the bag, I would reckon having bags when you have the vacuum installed in your basement, so that it will be very clean when you clean it out, so that all that you can do is install the 5-gallon bag with a self-sealing collar that has with it, so it doesn't pop out the dust. So this is especially when you have your central vac installed in your basement, and if you have it in your garage, you can use it without the bag as well. All that you need to do is just install the bin. You don't have to use the bag, but it's highly recommended you use a bag in any way. So let me quickly show you how to take out the bag from the central unit. All you have to do is just gently put in your hand and just turn it around, and it comes out like that. Very simple. Comes with a self-sealing system, as you can see it, so that the dust wouldn't pop out. And likewise, just put in and just turn it gently, and it's locked. Make sure it's locked so that the dust doesn't pop out. So it's firmly stuck. So that's it on today's video, and let me quickly put the bin back. So just go like this. You have those clips there, just have them there, and the one you have on the other side, just lock it. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and happy vacuuming.